So I'm back with another video, and this one is a natural hair video. It is Saturday and I have in my braids. Actually, when I put up my hair challenge videos, I already had my braids in for 2 weeks because my laptop was down, and so it delayed me putting up my challenge videos on YouTube. If you haven't seen those, you can check them up in the cards. I will have them linked there for you guys, as well as in the description box. The challenge is still ongoing. You can also join the challenge at this point. It spans 3 months from whenever you start. So I know some of you may be wondering, how can you keep up with the rules of the challenge while you have a protective style in? For me, when I began my challenge, I outlined my goals as I asked you guys to do. And my goals were to grow my temple area, hair, and hair in particular, to thicken them up, as well as to improve my scalp health. And since my 2 areas are my temple, my edges, and my scalp, but because I have a long-term protective style and I don't want the scent of the onion juice in my hair, because I am not washing out my hair, what I will do is I will only apply the onion juice to my edge area. I will put on my fingers, massage it into my edge area, and I will use a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar to rinse it out. And then I will apply my cayenne pepper oil as usual, because the oil can remain in my hair without being washed out. Super quick and easy method, but it gets the job done and you get your same stimulation. So I'm just taking just a tiny 2 drops, and then I am applying it first to this area. If you have a bowl, you can just dip your fingers into your bowl and apply it there, and actually that's how it was applied before. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Of course, with your protective style, if you're going to wash your braids or whatever, you can go ahead and put the onion juice in all of your hair and it will wash out readily, as you would do if your hair was loose. But I don't want to wash my braids. I only have 1 week to go. There is no need to wash my braids. And between the onion juice treatment that I did previously and my cayenne pepper oil, my scalp actually has been behaving really well, and I have seen a lot less flaking and a lot less dryness, and I've been experiencing a lot less itchiness. And so I've applied it. I'm going to apply just a few more drops off camera. I'm going to leave it in for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back with my cotton bud and my apple cider vinegar, just so that I can cleanse the area, and it is good for general cleansing of your scalp. So I'm back. My onion juice has been in my hair for about 10 minutes. And now I have my apple cider vinegar and cotton balls. And you can leave the onion juice in your hair if you are not sensitive to the scent, or if you are not opposed to having the scent in your hair. Yeah, so we should be good here. And you can decide that you want to wait for your apple cider vinegar to dry. It won't take very long before you apply your oil, but I'm not waiting. I'm just going to apply my cayenne pepper oil one time, and I am going to apply my cayenne pepper oil all over my scalp and give myself a scalp massage. So if you guys have a long-term protective styles in and you do not want to wet them and do the traditional wash day, this is how you can modify it to continue on with the challenge and get the benefits of the challenge during the time period that we agreed to. So guys, I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let me know how your progress with the challenge is going. You can get me on Instagram. As of now, I also have a Facebook page. You can check me there, and you can also leave it down in the comment section on this video or on the challenge video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.
My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy. My crown so heavy.